Alright, it's currently 5:30 AM on not even sure what day it is. So about 3 hours ago, a friend rang me up and said I was asleep and said, I've fallen off my bike, can you take me to hospital? So I've gone and done that, took them to hospital, they're back at home now, they're okay. But I got home and it was 5 AM and I'm like, I'm awake now, it's time for a rocket launch. Alright, so we're here at the launch site. The wind is quite gusty, so it's really not ideal. We've got a try before, like, I don't know, 200 footy players turn up and start trying to play football too. What's really made this unpleasant is the crazy amount of flies that have suddenly shown up. It's like dawn. Go away, flies. This is our rocket. So, yes, we're about to launch the rockets. The wind has actually died off quite a lot right now, so let's do it quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. No streamer. Oh, there he goes. Woo! It works. Woohoo! As I thought, that streamer idea, what a load of rubbish. The streamer just ripped off. There wasn't really room for a parachute, and I couldn't find one at 5 o'clock this morning when I was trying to get this ready to come down, so I thought I'll just try the streamer idea. I knew they'd just rip. At least the chute, at least the nose is still open, so that's good. Alright, that was a good rocket launch. I guess we'll go home and go to bed.